Roland Willits Women's Stories. I'm here with Brandt. We're covering the Aussie venture into the United States right during an election. So we won't talk about the election.
No, we leave that out.
Leave that thing, and we're gonna
I say we ain't politically.
because that's a lot of hot wind blowing.
I also do too.
And that's a lead into the song.
That's what it is. Well, how this came about, around about the time I retired, I was just doing a little bit of part-time fiddling around, doing work here and there. And Queensland FSI, I was doing a bit of Indian ticket selling for them. It's not what I did all my life. I've always been a salesman. I was hardware, books, and things like that, and we worked for ourselves. And then I went back as an operations manager for another idea. And I thought, oh, this will give me just to change it out till I hit 65
Right.
and retire. So I was working in the shopping centre on the south side of Brisbane. And behind me was a passageway that led to the Western Cardi.
Right.
And there was a hot wind coming in. And it really was a hot wind blowing. And I thought, Jesus, blowing in. And there was a cold supermarket that side. And over this side was Terry White Kemp's big chain chemistry. So anyway, one of the girls I knew from there came out and she said, "That's a hot wind blowing there, right?" I said, "Yes, I know, there's a song coming on here." And by the time the afternoon had finished, I thought, there's a hot wind blowing down the highway. Then I thought, there's a cold wind blowing down my heart. Yeah, keep going. And I grabbed a bit of paper.
Right.
It came from the cover of one of the ticket books.
Right.
And by the time the afternoon had finished, I had hot wind blowing down my
Oh, man.
and that's how that came about, just through that hot. And it was a dry, hot wind. It made you sweat just to even think about it.
Yeah.
So that's how that came about. That was hot wind blowing.
That is a glorious story. Introduce yourself.
Well, here we go. It is called Hot Wind Blowing. And may I say that they're all derived from the album Humpback Highway and other modes of and other roads, tracks and trails.